Being alone for a long time or smoking 15 cigarettes a day, both are equally dangerous. There are two ways of spreading light, to be the candle or the mirror that reflects it. Purpose of the clitoris is to bring a pleasure to women. It has no other functional value for the feminine body. Almost 50% of the population owns a vagina, yet numerous people know nearly nothing about the vagina or the vulva, let alone the clitoris. Innocent people are not stupid, they just think everyone has a good heart. They can also prey on castration anxiety as well as the fear that men may be diminished by a woman. Be careful what you tell people, a friend today could be an enemy tomorrow. Having negative friends is linked to depression, lowered self-esteem, insomnia and anxiety. Positive friends promote good overall health. Truth hurts but heals much like surgery. A falsehood is like a painkiller, it provides immediate relief but has long-lasting adverse effects. There are several vagina symbols including oysters, flowers, handbags, and the vesica piscis, the vessel of the fish, that is often used as a Christ symbol. Don't feel stupid if you don't like what everyone else pretends to love. In some cultures, a woman's clitoris is cut off, the labia removed and the vagina sewn shut, with the exception of a tiny hole to allow for discharge. Those who have seen the darkness have the most light to give. The vagina is a potential space, meaning that if nothing is holding it open, it collapses like a sock without a foot in it. Men who ejaculated frequently, at least 21 times a month, are less likely to get prostate cancer. Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important, capture the good times, develop from the negatives, and if things don't turn out, take another shot. Phone calls are better for happiness than texts. Nobody is perfect, so give yourself credit for everything you're doing right and be kind to yourself when you struggle. Thoughts and ideas don't go away easily, because we keep nurturing them every day. 80% of your social media friends are fake. The clitoris has 18 parts and it has 8,000 nerve endings, which are twice as many as the penis. When you put so much effort into helping someone precious, and they ask, "Did I ask you to do all that for me?" it hurts. The largest vagina in history most likely belongs to Anna Swan, 1846 to 1888. She was 7 feet and 5 inches tall and weighed 350 pounds. She gave birth to a 23-pound baby with a 19-inch head. Loyalty is hard to find, trust is easy to lose, actions speak louder than words, look out for the people who look out for you, loyalty is everything. Before going to sleep every night, forgive everyone and sleep with a clean heart. Contrary to popular belief, women who have frequent sex does not develop loose vaginas. Girls often pretend not to care, while in fact they are highly worried about other people's opinions. Memories are always special, sometimes we laugh by remembering the days we cried and we cry by remembering the days we laughed. That's life. The more you like yourself, the less you are like anyone else, which makes you unique. Everything in your life is a reflection of a choice you have made. If you want a different result, make a different choice. No matter how good you are, people will judge you according to their mood and needs. When individuals are angry, they often speak their true feelings, so pay attention to them. Nobody is ever too busy, they'll find the time if they truly care. An average woman of reproductive age secretes 1.55 grams or 1/4 teaspoon of vaginal discharge in the course of an 8-hour period. Girls enjoy talking dirty more than guys do. Condoms don't cover you from STIs 100% of the time. The most common time for breakups is around 3 to 5 months. Sitting in a certain kind of chair, pressing on the potential nerves in a certain way can lead to sexual arousal. During intercourse, if a woman's discharge is white and creamy, it means she is having an orgasm. The vaginal conduit can expand to 200% of its normal size when aroused. Women take much longer to get excited watching erotic videos. Don't have your hopes high. Friends become strangers, lovers become friends, and people leave. Accept that you will never be perfect. Life will always have challenges and other people will disappoint you sometimes. Acceptance is the first step toward peace. Your blood makes up about 8% of your body weight. Human skin is completely replaced about 1,000 times during a person's lifetime. Romance in the workplace is more likely to turn into marriage than meeting in bars or at friends' houses. Women are more influenced and persuaded by a man's sense of humor than his looks. If you maintain your eyes on the direction you want to go while walking down a busy street, most people will stay out of your way. After orgasm, the hormone prolactin is released, which is responsible for the feelings of relaxation and sleepiness. Old people who always masturbate always ends up with regret. Coffee has been found to reverse liver damage caused by alcohol. Shaving and waxing pubic hair has been linked to an advanced likeliness of constricting stress. A 2008 survey revealed that the French had the most sex at 137 times per year, well above the global average of 103. Some cultures like France see oral sex as a natural part of sexual arousal and foreplay. According to Men's Health, foreplay is to sex what stretching is to a workout, easy to skip but essential for great results. When a woman's vagina literally falls out and hangs between the legs, this condition is called pelvic prolapse. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new facts. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.